grass over there. Bailey? I'll film this at CN Rails too. Well, we're back in the next video. We are installing this after our settle break. That's your fault. You knocked that over. It's Auntie Lynn.
Auntie Lil.
Lynn Lil. Haven't said her name in a long time. Wonder where she's going.
I don't know. Ask her.
I'm not gonna go run over to her truck.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what to tell you then.
I said I wonder.
I had that reinforcing strip. I'll have to make some more pitman arms and I'll buy some oak. And I'll buy some steel and I'll make up some reinforcing strips for it.
So no mowing?
Probably not tonight because it's getting late.
Okay.
But,
On and off.
pass me that cardboard.
We are going to be using the baler to do all the grass. bale right here has been through ice and snow.
Watch out.
Logan. Oh boy. Noise.
I know this bale's not from the sale yard, it's a straw bale.
The straw bale from where?
Oh, back here. Last fall I baled a couple hundred bales for your mom. And then I did some for the 4-H club.
It's supposed to be. Very good.
Oh, 3,000 grease nipples on the Nodder. That's one thing I hate about balers.
There's not 3,000.
Oh, fuck me.
It's probably like,
Grease nipples everywhere on this thing.
yeah, because there's so many components. There's one right there.
Yeah, I know.
You got it?
Yeah, I did that one already.
Oh.
Grease is underneath the gear there. And this guy here.
And there's one here too. There's one right here.
Yeah, I know. I'm coming around the other side.
So you think we're going to be able to work the baler?
Tonight?
Yeah.
No. There's one down here too I gotta get. This one's the fun one. Ouch.
Yeah.
Yes. I'll have to take them out. I'll take them out, put a new one in. There. I think that's it for there. Now there's this one under here.
We're baling hay. Dad, can I get in? Aw. Guys. I'm only going to show you a short skit. So.